Here are 7 steps to your E2 investor visa in 2023. Step 6 is the trickiest, so wait for it. Step 1, determine if you qualify. To qualify for an E2 visa as an investor, you must be a national of an eligible treaty country. There are about 80 treaty countries now, including Canada, Colombia, the UK, Japan, and many more. Is your country on the list? Step 2, register your U.S. company. Next, you'll need a U.S. company as the investment vehicle for your E2 enterprise. Some E2 visa applicants invest in a franchise or buy an existing business, but most of my E2 visa clients start their own business in the United States, and it needs to be registered. This can take anywhere from a few days to a few weeks, and if you like, my law firm can help you do it. Step 3, get an EIN. Once your new U.S. company is established, you'll need to apply to the U.S. Internal Revenue Service, or IRS, for an employer ID number, or EIN. It's a separate U.S. tax ID number for your company, and you'll need one. If someone in your company has a U.S. Social Security number already, you can usually get your EIN from the IRS relatively quickly. Otherwise, it can take at least 45 days, so plan accordingly. Step 4, open a business bank account. Once your business has an EIN, it's time to open a business bank account. Which U.S. bank is your best option depends on many factors. Choose wisely. Step 5, transfer your investment funds. Next, it's time to transfer funds from your personal bank account abroad to your new business bank account in the U.S. It's important that the funds come from you, the E2 visa applicant, not someone else. Step 6, invest a substantial amount. Now you'll need to invest a substantial amount of money on whatever your U.S. business needs to open and become successful. What's a substantial amount? Well, the law doesn't specify a number, but U.S. consular officials typically expect to see an investment of at least $100,000 in your new U.S. business. And your investment funds must be at risk, that is spent, not just safely sitting in a bank account somewhere. Your business must also be open or ready to open before you apply for the E2 visa. And since the U.S. government loves it when you hire Americans, it's a great idea to invest in at least one employee, preferably a U.S. citizen or permanent resident, and have a plan for hiring more in the years to come. Step 7, submit your E2 visa application. Once you've made the requisite investments in your E2 enterprise and have all the documentation ready to prove it, it's time to submit your E2 visa application to the U.S. Embassy or consulate in your home country. Then, assuming you've met the filing requirements, you'll be invited to schedule an appointment for an interview about your visa application. This is Joseph Bovino, U.S. Immigration, Business, and Trademark Attorney. Use the link in my bio to schedule a video consultation with me if you're interested in applying for or renewing an E2 investor visa. And follow for more.